Hello students, in this class we will continue with our class 9 science chapter number 7, that is diversity in living organisms. So our today's topic is basic tools involved. The basic tools that are involved in classification that we are going to study in this class. So first is the for naming organism, means nomenclature of the organism, how we will name the organism if they are classified into different groups. So, to assign names, there is a biological science that deals with identification, naming, and classification of organisms and is called taxonomy. We give that term taxonomy. So, it gives us the identification of the organism, its naming, and classification. So, that is taxonomy. The main function of taxonomist is to provide scientific names to organisms. Taxonomists are those persons who provide scientific names to organisms. So, in the old system, common vernacular names were introduced according to which the names were given to organisms. Like dog is called kutta in Hindi, cooker in Bangla, and nai in Tamil. So many names are there of dogs. But in the old system, these vernacular names were common. But as these names are differently used in all parts of the country, so they are not understood by others. If we go to Bengal and if they say cooker, we will not be able to understand that they are they are telling about the dog. So therefore binomial nomenclature is used for assigning proper name. A binomial nomenclature is used for assigning proper names to the organisms. So as you might be able to appreciate, it would be difficult for speaking or writing in different languages to know when they are talking about the same organism. This problem was resolved by agreeing upon a scientific name for organism in the same manner that chemical symbols and formula for various substances are used, right? We give chemical formulas and symbols of substances, and that are used world over, right? So similarly for organisms also we will provide the scientific name which will be understood by each and every person of this world, and the scientific name for an organism is thus unique. It is unique and can be used to identify it anywhere in the world. So binomial nomenclature, it was developed by Linnaeus and was mentioned in his book published in 1753. So, the system of scientific naming or nomenclature we use today was introduced by Carolus Linnaeus. He is a scientist in the 18th century. He discovered it. The scientific name of an organism is the result of the process of classification. It gives us the result of the process of classification which puts it along with the organism it is most related to. So, his system of naming is accepted worldwide and he is called the father of taxonomy. You have to remember who is the father of taxonomy? Carolus Linnaeus. So, but when we actually name the species, we do not list out the whole hierarchy of groups it belongs to. So instead, we limit ourselves to writing the name of the genus and species of that particular organism. Now, what is genus and species? Let's see. So, according to it, every organism is given two proper names. He gave two proper names to each and every organism. First name is the name of genus. Genus is it is shared among closely related organism. Means we share it among closely related organism. It is just like surname that is shared by all the members of the family. The surname which we share among all the members of a family, it is genus, right? It is the first name. right? Surname is also our first name. Similarly, here genus is also the first name, and it is among the closely related organism. Like our family members, they share the same surname. Similarly, this organisms also share the same genus. A second name is the name of species, that is to which it belongs. Species is the particular kind of organism, like we all are humans. That is the recognition. That is the species. It is the second name. So these names are set according to International Code of Binomial Nomenclature. It is according to the international code. As if suppose this is the figure of a frog. So what is the binomial nomenclature given to it? It is Rana tigrina. Rana is the name of genus. It is the first name. The Rana is the first name which is given to genus. So the organisms which are among this species, these organisms, we give them all these organisms are given the genus Rana. Then species, that if we want to give the name of this particular frog, what is the name of this particular frog? We name it as Rana, we term it as Tigrina. That is Rana tigrina. So this way genus is Rana, species is Tigrina. This way we classify it. So whenever the name is written, the genus, that is the first name, is written with first capital letter. It is always written with first capital letter. That is, suppose we want to write down Rana. So R is written in capital. And species, which is written after generic name and always in small letters. It is written in small letters, as if Tigrina. So Tigrina A. Yeah. Okay, Rana tigrina. This way it's written. First name of the genus, first name is always written with the first capital letter. This is written as small letters. So as if we take the example of our humans. We humans are named as, the scientific name of humans is Homo sapiens. So Homo, H is written in capital letter and sapiens is written in small letter, Homo sapiens. So both the names have space between them and are underlined separately. They are underlined separately. For the frog, the name is Rana tigrina. So both have separate names and both are underlined separately. That is, they have space between them. They are never written together. So this was the binomial nomenclature. Now based on these scientific names, we will classify the organisms. That's all for today. I hope you are clear with the concept of binomial nomenclature. Thank you and have a